In this video, I will show you how to prepare your SAT test using Google Gemini. So first, you need to choose the rapid model, then write down help me in SAT test and send it. And now Google Gemini will prepare you a full exam to test your skills in SAT test. So a window will open in the right and you will see here the reading and the writing test and also the math test. All you have to do is click on start and the exam will begin. You can see here this is the countdown of the test, and now you choose the responses. Like you see here is the correct response, and here it gives you the correct response, and he says that you are wrong. If you want more explanation, just click on that button and it will generate you a full response for this problem. That's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing.